Break ID number 5859. 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball 1-box break. Go. Two free spots. James C.O., Jesse C.O. Really? No relation. I don't know. Maybe there is. Fernando Tatis Jr., number 2 overall prospect. Torres rookie. Well, that's strange. No auto yet. Torres rookie insert. Soto rookie refractor. First auto is a green refractor. Jeter Downs /99. Reds, Michael BL. Royce Lewis refractor, number 5 overall prospect. Andujar rookie refractor. Luis Escobar. Pittsburgh. John R.O. Casey Mize, number 1 draft pick, blue parallel, blue refractor, sorry. Very nice, Detroit. Joshua, H.A., redemption behind it. Bryce Turang. we can redeem these for you. They go right back in your account once they return. That is Milwaukee. Aaron, ST. Jimenez, Refractor, number 3 overall prospect. Actually playing in the big leagues right now. Bruzdar, Graterol. So this is the first I've ever seen this. We've opened maybe 200 cases of this stuff. And there were 3 autos in this mini box and 1 in the first. Twins. Ken, BE. Arenado, Green Refractor. Bueller, Rookie. Hoskins, Rookie Insert, Atomic Refractor. Vladimir Guerrero, number 1 overall prospect. Devers, Rookie Refractor. Last pack. All right, turned out to be a very good box. Very strange, though.